Alright, in order to install the tools needed to view Final Cut server documents on a Windows machine, you'll need to install a few things. The first one being Java. Go to the Start menu and select Internet Explorer, and once that's open, you can use Firefox if you like, it doesn't exactly matter. Once that's open, go to www.java.com and hit enter. You'll see a free Java download button in the middle of the screen. Go ahead and click on that, and then you'll see an agree and start free download. You can go ahead and click run on that window, and in a moment it will finish downloading. Ask for your permission to install, and you click yes, and you can click install for the default settings. After it's done installing, it'll ask you if you'd like to install the Bing toolbar for Internet Explorer. Go and uncheck that. We don't really need that for this purpose, and click the next button. And now it'll take time to install some other program files. Once Java is done, it'll prompt you letting you know you've successfully installed Java. Go ahead and click the close button. Next, we need to install the latest version of Quicktime. It's an Apple product designed to play videos. If you go to www.quicktime.com, bring you to the Apple site, and you can go and click the QuickTime 7 download button here on the left. You can go ahead and either download the version with or without iTunes, doesn't really matter. We're going to go ahead and stick with the QuickTime only. We'll uncheck this box, we don't want any unnecessary email. We'll click download now. Again, we'll go ahead and run the file. It'll ask if we are for sure that we want to run this. It'll bring up a series of boxes here. We can go ahead and click yes to all of them. Again, one more time, ask for permission. It'll install the latest version of QuickTime. Once it's done, you can go ahead and click finish. It'll ask you if you'd like to upgrade to Pro. We don't need that today, so we'll say no thanks. And the last item we'll need to download is the UIowa VPN client. What this does is tricks the University of Iowa server into believing that you're on campus and thus allowed to access these videos. So if you go to vpn.uiowa.edu, you'll log in here with your Predict ID. First, what you want to do is under this profile box, make sure that you select public address and enter your Hawk ID and password. And so once you make it to the VPN page, once you're logged in, you'll want to go and click on the AnyConnect client on the left side here. And you want to click Start AnyConnect. It'll ask you if you want to install the following add-on. All you need to do here is click this download link in the bottom right corner, and then it'll notice what operating system you have. You can click on that, and again, run. Pretty standard setup here. You'll go ahead and accept the license terms and click next. Install. And you can go ahead and allow this program to make changes to your computer. You can go ahead and click finish. And now what you'll need to do is just start up that AnyConnect client that you've just installed. So if you go to the Start menu and go to All Programs, you'll see up here Cisco AnyConnect VPN Client. You start that up and it'll ask you what server you'd like to connect to. You'll want to say connect to vpn.uiowa.edu and hit enter. Select from the drop down list public address and type in your Hawk ID and password again and hit connect. and now you are officially quote-unquote on campus. And the last step that we'll need to do is download the Final Cut server program itself. And the way you do that is by going to finalcut.icts.uiowa.edu/finalcut-server. That's with a capital F, capital C, capital S. Those are very important, otherwise it won't work. And hit enter. Once you're on this web page, you'll see a Welcome to Final Cut Server message at the top, and click the download button in the bottom right corner. It will download the Java application that allows you to access Final Cut. You may be prompted asking if you trust the application. Go ahead and click the Always Trust Content from Publisher button and hit Agree. Again, you'll be presented with a license agreement. Go ahead and hit Agree once more. And it will prompt you for your Final Cut username and password. This is different than your Hawk ID. This has been provided to you when you join the Motor Review program. If you don't know what it is, feel free to email myself or Andrew, and we can get in touch and help you find that. I'm going to go ahead and type in my username and password and click Login. And it brings up a number of different videos. At this point, Andrew will have more instructions for you as a part of the Motor Review program. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself. My name is Brian Finley. My email is brian-finley, F-I-N-L-E-Y, @uiowa.edu. You can also contact me via telephone at 319-467-5285. I may be in and out, though an email would be the best way to get a hold of me. Thank you for watching this instructional video on how to install the Final Cut server application for the Motor Review program.